Welcome to Art in My Heart!
Welcome to our summer English camp, Art in My Heart. We are excited to have you with us. Our summer English camp is a unique combination of intensive language programs combined with arts, sports, and outdoor activities. Children will speak English and enjoy our picturesque site in Repina. Join us to improve your English skills, make friends, explore, and create. We are remarkable.
We are going to spend a week called this floral design activity. There will be plenty of opportunities to connect with nature. We are remarkable, just join us.
Hi readers! Look at all the books we have for you to enjoy. Have you ever thought of publishing your own book? First, you get an idea. And what do you do with an idea? You grow it. You think hard, you plan, you edit, you write, you rewrite, and you grow your idea into a beautiful story. You illustrate your story, you design a book, and you publish and you celebrate. Come and join us for a beautiful summer camp of readers, writers, illustrators, and artists.
We are going to design toys and clothes. Join us. We are remarkable.
We are going to draw and paint, create glass mosaic, and model.
Join us! You are remarkable!